Big up to everyone. Lovely friends and lovely family out there. Sorry today because I have a little bit cold, so my voice is kind of somehow today. I'm going to talk about this youngster, Boadu. He's a Ghanaian born in Holland, and I think it could be a great deal for Ghana once again. But I'm gonna share my thought on that. Not that he say he want to play for Ghana, no, but he was talking about how he's hoping um, to play for the World Cup, and he think the Holland national team there is a lot of stars and all that, and it could be a little bit difficult. So I think for him saying this, he could try to maybe he's trying to um, set up this one so that Ghana will pursue him again and say, hey, this youngster, if we go to him, he gonna play for us. He's a very good player. Guess by that now Monaco is not getting playing time and is very tall, strong. So why I feel like it's good if Ole is ready to play, it's good. There are some certain things we need to look up to. We cannot just say, well, we need strikers, so any player then we need to call them. I'm gonna tell you my reason why sometimes it's good, and we need to take to look some certain things. As I said, um, when we have a lot of strikers, like maybe we have Aden Katia, we have Anyaki brothers, then we have Carlos Odoi, and we have maybe Bodu ready to play as well, and we have Jordan Ayew as well. It's going to be a mad competition on the team. So any player that get a chance, they will try to prove themselves. That is why I feel like if there is a chance and he want to play, I think we need to give him a chance. But here is the case. You see, we have to look at some certain things here. Some of the, like I always say, if a player is a very good player and he want to play for Ghana, and we all know that at the end of the day, you're going to bring improvement to Ghana, you're going to bring improvement to Black Stars. Why not? We want improvement, we want to see Ghana better, to possibly even win the World Cup. So someone will say, hey, I'm dreaming about World Cup. Yes, why not? Countries that win World Cup, it's not like they are too damn much powerful than Ghana. But the difference is that it is just the mentality. It is sometimes how we think and how we basically see things. That is our main problem. So if we were able to create some kind of thinking and some kind of confident leaders, I think why not? No one thought that Ghana can able to win the World Cup and the 20 World Cup, but we did that. So let's put this as aside and talk about this youngster. Why I'm saying this, there are some certain things we need to look up to. Some players who will make themselves now like maybe an example like a woman that I see a man that have money. If you don't take time, when the money finish, that woman will vanish. So before you inviting that woman to your side, you need to know the kind of woman you are inviting to your side. I'm building this to a point. Why I'm saying this, basically, we may be a lot of players out there not having playing time, and some of them will just want to use the World Cup to redeem themselves, get their team, and after that, when we talk about African Cup of Nations, they will be now saying that well, this problem Ghanaians talk too much. So the players that want to play for Ghana, I want to please tell some of the players as well. You have to know that as a football nation, as a football fan, as a Ghanaians, when you don't do well, don't expect that we're going to sit down and clap for you. If you win, we're going to clap for you. If you lose, we're going to bash you guys. So you have to have this in mind. But if you don't have this in mind, and maybe you get the World Cup, play the World Cup after getting your team, and when it burn down to African Cup of Nations or qualifiers, then a lot of players will now giving excuses, this, that. That is why I'm saying that we need to see ourselves as a country. We need to see ourselves as a nation that we have whatever it is. We shouldn't just give everything that all any player that want to come. We just need to welcome that player to come and play. We need to also know this player. You really you really want to play, or you are just coming for the World Cup to redeem yourself and get your team. And at the end of the day, will be having challenges and all that. So that is the reason why I'm saying that sometime if Boadu want to play, I don't know yet, but the way he give comment is setting clearly that if you get a chance, definitely you're going to play. And I believe that it's going to be a good deal as well, because when he was in Holland, um, he was doing pretty well. Guess why he went to French League One and not getting playing time. But if you see the striker, is very strong and physically. So when we have these players on board, why not? It will create a lot of competition on the on the strikers. So every player get a chance. They want to prove to the coach that yes, if you give me a chance, I can do it. That is what I think that um, if Ghana, the GFA, um, feel like they need him, they have to pursue him again. To me, they have to pursue him again because he's a great player. I guess by that for him not getting playing time, when they get a chance, they can improve. But doing that, that is what I said earlier on. Doing that, we need to be very sure that this guy is just coming to play for the World Cup and vanish because of his not getting playing time for Monaco. So it could happen that maybe when they get Ghana for the World Cup, he just want to use that to establish himself. And after that, we see many years, players sometimes play for World Cup, and when they get to African Cup of Nations, some of them, not all, do will be giving excuses that this, that, and all sort of things. So we need to see players that are ready. Are they ready to die for the nation? Are they ready? Did they have that kind of mentality that they prove in their clubs are day and night, day and night? They have that kind of mentality to take it. Anyone that have anything to do and support the Black Stars, because we do not really want to go to the World Cup and just go there and add our numbers. No, we want to go there and prove to the world that yes, Ghana, we are back, and Ghana, we are Ghana. So anybody that have any support, try to support the country, try to support the team so that we can do better on the World Cup. So sometimes when we are coming out for day and night for some players, we are also sharing what we believe that at the end of the day, if we get some of these players on board, at least they can also help and create some kind of mentality so that when they get to the World Cup, we will take any player match to match. And I believe strongly that I don't see Ghana going out from the group stage. So guys, what do you think about this youngster? Do you think it's a great deal if you really want to play for Ghana? Do you think we have to pursue him again? Or do you think that some of them are just coming because of the World Cup to make name on themselves, and later on when we talk about African Cup of Nations, we will see some of them again? What do you think, guys? What do you think about this youngster? Basically, I'm not saying that maybe he said he want to play for Ghana. That is far beyond that, no. But it basically talk about how he want to play World Cup and the way Holland team is now. If you check up most of the strikers Holland they have now, it's a very, very strong Memphis Depay and a lot of them out there, and he is not getting playing time. It will be very difficult for him to interact or get a chance on Holland national team, and they really want to play the World Cup. So do you think that it is a great deal for Ghana to pursue him once again, or what do you think, guys? Let's help. Whatever you have, your comment will also help. Sometimes the leaders as well, they read your comments sometimes. So whatever you say, at the end of the day, they're going to pick some of them and use it so that when Ghana is doing well, they are not just doing well for only the leader, they are doing well for you and I. So what do you think, guys?